Dear students, now I am going to consider one more equation, quadratic equation, to find the roots of that. The given equation is 3x square minus 2 root 6 plus x plus 2. Already we know that the coefficient of square term should multiplies to the constant term. So then we are going to get 6. So for this 6 we need to find two factors such that the sum or difference of these two factors should satisfy this one. That means the middle term of the quadratic equation. So little bit be careful when this type of question is given. Root 6 is the number we required in the middle term. So the only option we are having here is root 6, and root 6 only we need to multiply. Because if you multiply root 6 and root 6, you are going to get root 6 square. Square root get cancels, so your remaining answer is 6 only. So therefore root 6 and root 6 is the right two factors. In addition to that, you should give minus to both. So then nothing is there here, coefficient 1 is there, so here also. So minus 1 minus 2 root 6, so it satisfies the middle term. So now we can write the next step as 3x square minus 1 root 6 x minus 1 root 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. So now once again be careful. In these two, x we can take outside, but 3 divides 6. So therefore this 3 once again you can write as root 3 into root 3. Just what we did here, like that. Root 3 into root 3 square root get cancelled, 3 remains. So therefore use pencil and write here root 3. So therefore root 3 also you can take outside along with x, and 1 root 3 remains, and 1 x remain, minus root 3 divides root 6, 3 divides 6 2 times. So that becomes root 2 minus, here also very similar, 2 divides root 6, therefore 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Here take out root 2 as common factor. 2 divides 6 3 times, root 3. X remains as it is, minus we took outside, so therefore this plus become minus, and 1 root 2 remains. So in place of 2 we have written root 2 into root 2. So once again root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2 as take out as common factor, and the rest is root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So once again equate to 0 now. Root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So this is also same, root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So root 3x is equal to root 2, x is equal to root 2 divided by root 3. So this is also very similar to this, because both the expressions are very similar. Hence you are going to get the same roots. So therefore the roots of this equation, root 2 by root 3, root 2 by root 3. Now I am going to consider the next question to find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So we need to find two numbers. Two numbers we need to find. Sum is 27 and the product of those two numbers is 182. So the two numbers they have not given. I am going to take, let the first number or one number is x. Therefore the other number becomes 27 minus x. How? Just I am going to explain here. You see, sum is 27 by using this. So first number, second number, sum, first number, second number sum is 27. So first number I have taken as x, so second number remains here only. So therefore second number becomes 27 minus x, just by shift this x. So therefore second number becomes 27 minus x. So now according to the question, their product x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So now once again you multiply by x, you are going to get 27x minus x square is equal to 182. So once again write in standard form, minus x square plus 27. Just here, just I interchange their position, that's all. And I am going to shift this to LHS, becomes 0. However, the first term, square term is negative. So therefore, I am going to multiply by one negative sign. So therefore, the whole equation becomes x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So now we are going to find the two factors for 182. So 14 and 13 are the two factors you are going to get. So just factorize by LCM method and make into two groups. So you are going to get 14 and 13. Those two satisfies the middle term 27, because 14, 13 together 27 you are going to get, and give minus sign to both. So if you are going to give minus sign to both, then the equation becomes x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Then take out x as common factor, here minus 13 as common factor, minus also we took outside here, therefore this becomes minus. So x minus 14 into x minus 13 equal to 0. So once again equate separately to 0, then you are going to get x minus 14 equal to 0 and x minus 13 equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. So therefore the required two numbers are 14 and 13. Maybe you can understand, but carefully find the factors of this 182. Go through by LCM method, you can get. So LCM of 182 means just like this. Just I am going to give a simple hint to this. 182 goes on like this by dividing 2 9s are 1s are. See, so 7 2s are 14 and 13. So 13 and 14 together, you are going to get 182. So I like this. So directly I have written. You just practice like this. You may also can write directly like this. Good. Thank you.